Hey Chicks, it's Jules Muller, founder and CEO of Chicks Connect, and I really want to speak to the affiliates today. Those of you that are signed up to be affiliates to Chicks Connect have visited chicksconnect.com/affiliates. You've signed up to get your unique tracking link, and then you share that tracking link with people that want to join our membership. When you do so, and when they join, we pay you monthly, month after month, a portion of their membership fee as a way of thanking you for the referral. And there is no end to that. So we just continue paying you month after month for as many referrals as you make, for as long as they are members. Now, I want to show you a way to increase that affiliate check just using our groups on Facebook. So on Facebook, every chapter has a group that's unique to your chapter, and that one is a members-only group. And if you go to your members-only group and look right here, it says 3 people want to join this group. I'm not in one of the members-only groups right now because I didn't want to call any of you out as having some listed there, but I did check, and a lot of you do have people that want to join your group. This is an open group for Reno, Nevada. We're still looking for a leader in Reno, Nevada, but you can see we have, I think 400 something members in this group. Let's take a look. 438 members in this group, Reno, Nevada Chicks Connect. So that's 438 people that may want to join our membership. And if they did, we'll just do some quick math. Let's just say 400 did. That would be $4,000 for you every month, month after month after month, if you just work and invited the people from Reno. So what we're doing in Reno is looking for a leader, but let me go back to, or more than one leader if we get lots of chapters started there. So let's take a look. In your own personal groups, it'll say right here, 3 people want to join this group. And every group, I believe, has questions. If it doesn't, we can ask membership type questions. I don't want to click on this right now, again, to pull up the actual people just for privacy of this video. But if you're in this group or want to ask people if they would like to join and lead chapters within this group as a way of increasing your affiliate check, you can do that. Just let me know and I'll make you an admin even if you're currently a member of Chicks Connect. So anyway, I just wanted you to know that all of the groups that you are in that have to do with Chicks Connect have this little information right here if there is someone that wants to join the group. All those people can be personally messaged. You can invite them to a virtual chapter meeting. You can invite them to a regular chapter meeting if there is a leader within that local area, and then ask them if they'd like to join. And that's one way to increase your Chicks Connect affiliate referral commission check every single month. Okay, if you have questions, let me know.